Hey everyone, here's another example from section 2.2. This is another function where we have a piecewise function and they're asking us for different limits. So let's look at the limit as x approaches 1. The limit as x approaches 1, if we look as we go along this function as we get to x equal 1, you notice that the y value here, it says it's 2 here, but then down here it says it's 0. So y is 2, but then y is also 0 down here. So you notice we have a jump. This is called a jump discontinuity, or discontinuity, jump discontinuity. So this would be the limit does not exist. And the reason the limit doesn't exist is because as you approach it from the negative side, you get y equals 2, but as you approach it from the positive side, you get y equals 0, and because they're not approaching the same number, the limit does not exist. Let's take a look at the limit as x approaches 2. So the limit as x approaches 2, from both sides, you'll see this, from both sides, the y value is equal to 1. So our limit as x approaches 2 would be y equals 1. If we look at the limit as x approaches 3, so the limit as x approaches 3, you'll notice that we get, we're basically converging on y equals 0, but we also have this point that's just out here randomly at y equals 1. So really we have y equals 1, y equals 0. Again, the limit does not exist. Because we have this jump discontinuity here. We're coming down, all of a sudden, boom, we jump to this point. There's no limit at that point. So then let's look at what the limit is as x approaches 2.5. So this one here we're going to kind of have to guess at a little bit, but as we approach 2.5, so right in here, that's 2.5. So as we approach 2.5, the y value there would be 0.5. So our limit would be y equals 0.5. And I know this is okay because we don't have any jump discontinuity here. This is a continuous function. So that's how you find the limits when it comes from a graph. Is you look at the graph and you see, are there any jump discontinuities, and if there are any jump discontinuities, then those are going to be non-existing limits there.